Like the sign says, mountain grown for richer flavor. Mountain is where the best coffee comes from.
Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. It's December 29th, a Thursday, almost the end of the Wolfman week. What I want to go over, and it's almost the end of the year, is perception of value. It's what the market perceives as value in all these different markets. And this is going to be really important headed into the new year. Why? Because everything is going to be marked to see if it's a positive or negative on the year after tomorrow's settlement. And we'll go over a few of those things. And if I miss anything, please let me know. Write to us. Let us know at the CMZ, and I'll try and clear up some of the questions, but I'm going to try and run over this real quick. What is the perception of value? It's basically the market's perception of value, or the big money's perception of value. And right now, month over month, we have whether or not somebody thinks that the market is going to go down. The longs are scared, so they're getting out and selling into the market. All right, have you ever seen A Christmas Story? Yeah. Why are you selling? Porter's buying because you're scared and he's not. Take that. All right. Basically, we got gold. Gold's perception of value is in the 1700s. It's about 1749. At the beginning of the year, we were trading at 1420. We've seen about a $200 sell-off in this last month. Why? We talked about it. Paulson's getting out. Paulson's getting out because his perception of value is going to be lower in the upcoming year. So it looks like that's starting to pull that back. We might see the 1400s coming up pretty soon. Oil's the same way, but it's about right around where we saw it last year, a little bit higher. 91 bucks coming into the beginning of the year. Right now we're trading around 98.80-ish. All right, the perception of value is a lot higher than that, or not, about a buck higher than that, at 99.85. So it looks like oil could be right around this $100 a barrel mark or just below that coming into the new year for the remainder of the year. That's the perception of value there, right? Take that. SPOOs. SPOOs are right at where we were last year. We're just below it by about a tick. 1256 is last year's coming into the year. Right now we're at 1255, trying to push up against that. I can't see this big money not getting that up right at value by the end of the year. It's probably looking like we're going to go into the new year unchanged for the year. All right, take that. Going on to the euro. The euro is really seeing a big slide. Beginning of the year, we were at 133.34. Starting to really slide this month. Perception of value is at 130.85. We're down into the 128s even earlier today. It looks like the dollar is going to start gaining strength and start into the new year breaking the tradition, or what we've seen this year as the euro strength, the equity strength. It looks like we might start seeing a little bit of separation and see some dollar strength, even though the equities are kind of pushing up against this, all right? Take that. The other thing is going into the bonds. The bond buyers have seen a huge rally this year. The beginning of the year, we were at 122.02. Right now, we're at 144.05-ish. Perception of value is even lower than that. It's at 141, all right? That means the bonds look like they're going to be pushing higher. The shorts are scared, so they're getting out and pushing it higher. It looks like the bonds for the next year coming up are going to start seeing a lot of strength. Equity is going to be kind of staying stagnant right around this 1256 area. But basically, for the most part, we're going to see that, all right? Take that. Corn. Corn's seen a pretty big rally. Beginning of the year, we were at 629. Perception of value is just below $6 at 592. We're starting to see this. It's really loud in here right now because even though the dollar's gaining strength, corn continues to rally. That means that the big money, the porters, the big fund managers all think that corn's going to probably go higher in the upcoming year. So, in a bit of try to get a conclusion here, the values up on the year looks like it's going to be bonds, corn, basically at value. It looks like we're going to have oil right around here, SPOOs right around here for the remainder of the year. Strength, you're going to see the dollar gaining a lot of strength throughout the year. I think the euro is going to be tanking off. They haven't gotten anything done over there, so that kind of goes along with the economic things. And weakness, I think we're going to see a lot of weakness in gold. So if you're long gold, the porters are selling and you're buying, You better be scared because they're not. All right, that's all I got for you for today at the CME group. Hope you have a good one. Send us some questions and I'll try and answer them tomorrow, but have a good one. Can't take that, take it easy.
Baby girl, I think we need to sit and talk, playing with my money, paper, scissors, rock, going up my heart and stick a pin in